Good morning, Nikita. Students, yesterday we discussed methods expressing concentrations. So in that molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality, these all are completed. Okay, na? Now we will discuss questions related to these topics. Please open your objective materials. Page number 40. First page number 40. Page number 40. Please open page number 40. Page number 40. Question number. Sorry, level 2 later we will discuss. First level 1 questions. Page number 24, not 40, later 40. Page number 24. Question number 19. Question number 19. Volume is given. What is the volume? 250 ml. Next. Molarity given. How much? 2. Next. Weight given. Question 49 grams. So molecular weight we have to calculate. So this is the data given in the question: volume, molarity, weight, molecular weight we have to calculate. What is the formula to calculate weight? So molecular weight, if molarity is given, molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. This is the formula. So molarity 2 is equal to weight 49. Gram molecular weight, let us consider x into 1000 divided by 250. 251 is 254 is. So what is x? Please say x. What is x?
98.
98? 98 only na? So 49 into 4 by 2.
98, sir.
98.
98, sir.
98 is the answer. Any difficulty in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
The easy one, formula is important. So that's why I told yesterday. Next, question number 91. So question number 91, we can do it 2 ways. So 2 methods I will explain. You please remember which one you require. Which one you feel easy. Question number 91. So one side NaOH, one side dibasic acid is given. Okay, na? So dibasic acid means what is the basicity of acid? Students.
2. 2.
Basic acid means the basicity of acid is 2 only na? Okay, na? Where we discussed this one in equivalent weight we discussed. Okay, na? Please remember. So formula equivalent weight of acid is equal to, that is equivalent weight of base. This is the formula. Equivalent weight of acid is equal to equivalent weight of base. So here, equivalent weight, how to calculate? Molecular weight by basicity of acid. Equivalent weight for acids, what is the formula?
Molecular weight by basicity.
Molecular weight by basicity. But here we don't know molecular weight. So that is M I am taking as this molecular weight divided by basicity into 1000. Why I am taking 1000? So why I am taking 1000 means normality means what? Normal means number of gram equivalents present in 1 liter of solution only, na? So that's why I am taking that 1000 is equal to what is the data given in base? For base, what is the normality of base given?
1.
0.1.
0.1. Then you were saying 1.
0.1, sir.
0.1. What is its volume?
100.
L.
Volume N1 V1. This N2 V2. Ilanga is N1 V1 is N2 V2. So, but N1 means weight by gram equal. That is basicity. You will get normality, na? So that's why molecular weight by 2. Please solve molecular weight. How much you will get? Sorry. Molecular weight. First, you want to get molecular weight. What is the weight given? Weight of base?
0.49.
0.49. By equivalent weight we don't know. Please solve E. E is equal to how much? E is equal to how much?
49.
So molecular weight is equal to equivalent weight into 2. So that is 49 into 2. That is equal to 98. What is this 2? Why I am taking this 2? Can you say? Here I applied equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by basicity formula. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by basicity. But I want molecular weight. Molecular weight is equal to equivalent weight into basicity only. So that's why equivalent weight I got here 49 into 2. 98 is the answer. Otherwise, you can apply one more method. See, that is also simple. See, you don't consider anything. What is the weight of substance given? 0.49. Substance 0.1. Say 0.1 is equal to normality is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. Gram equivalent weight. How to calculate equivalent weight? Molecular weight by 2. Molecular weight divided by 2 into, that is we don't know this one, 1000 by 100. So 1000 by 100 means what I will get? Molecular weight by 2 into 0.1 is equal to 100 1 100 times 0.49 into 10. So molecular weight is equal to 98. So like this also we will get that. So you can apply any one of the method. So that formula, equivalent weight of acid is equal to equivalent weight of base.
Sir, he given dysbasic acid.
Huh?
Sir, he given dysbasic acid.
This all are dibasic. Change that one. Okay, na? Not a dibasic acid. So H2SO4 98 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು H2SO4. H2SO4
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, methods related to concentration was not given in the book, so is it necessary for the NEET examination?
Not given in book. Which book?
Yes, sir. Sir, study material, college study material.
College study material. College, I am taking questions from material only. Na?
Yes, sir. So formulas were not given. That's why, sir.
Formulas not given. Check once. There,
Sir, in page number 15 given, sir.
that only I am telling. 15 or 16 that is related to that only. Na?
Sir, in page number 16, the formulas are given, sir.
That is
Yes, sir, in page
page number 15 or page number 16. Formulas are there now. Heading is also there, methods expressing concentration. So volumetric analysis means concentration terms only. Methods expressing concentration, volumetric analysis. Eradu onde. Okay. Next. Question number. Question number
92.
92 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
So 91 is finished, sir. 92 you have to.
92 is not finished, sir.
92 ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. 92 is not a concentration related question. That is stoichiometric question. Write the equation. Next time onwards, I don't want to say level 1 to level 2 complete questions. Time not enough. So only limited questions, I will say. Next time. 10 volumes of hydrogen gas react with 5 moles of 5 volumes of oxygen gas. How many volumes of water is produced?
10.
H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O. Either 2 volumes, this is 1 volume. So here we are getting 2 volumes. If you take, this is 10 volumes. This is required how many volumes? 2 volumes, 1 volume. If you take 10 volumes, this is how much we will get?
5.
So this is as it is given, 5 volumes of oxygen. So 2 volumes of H2 gives 2 volumes of water. If you take 10 volumes of H2, how many volumes you will get? 10 volumes of H2.
10 volume.
That's the answer. Here no limiting reagent, so that's why direct answer. So for 10 or 2 volumes, for 5 or 2 volumes. For 1 or 2 volumes, for 5 or how many volumes? 10 volumes of H2. Okay, na? Next. Question number 93. 93 and 92 now. 93. Shall I give hints? Will you solve? Please.
N1 V1 equal to N2 V2.
Huh?
N1 V1 equal to N2 V2.
Very good. Volume of water to be added. Please no need to take that one. What is N1? 0.5. Please write down. You have to solve. N1 is equal to 0.5. V1 is equal to 100 centimeter cube or 100 ml. Eradu onde 100 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. Okay, na? Next, N2 is equal to decinormal. What I told yesterday? Decinormal means decimolar I told na.
10.
0.1 na.
0.1.
So N2 is equal to 0.1.
0.1.
V2 is equal to question mark. Please solve V2 first. I repeat, N1 is equal to 0.5. V1 is equal to 100. N2 is equal to 0.1. V2 is equal to question mark.
500.
500
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, sir, 500.
500. But what is the final conclusion I given? After dilution, volume of water added is equal to I wrote
Plus V1.
V2 minus V1 ತಾನೆ?
V1 400 answer.
400. So V2 minus V1. Please apply that formula. Next mark. So 400 centimeter cube answer. Question number 94. Can you solve? First write the data. I will say. Question number 94. Please write the data. Weight is equal to 3.2 grams. Volume is equal to 500 ml. Weight is equal to 3.2. Volume is equal to 100 ml. Sorry, 500 ml. M is equal to question mark, capital M. Next, molecular weight of sodium oxalate. You have to calculate it. Sodium oxalate means formula Na2C2O4. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ molecular weight calculate ಮಾಡಿ Na2C2O4. Please apply its molarity formula and say the answer.
What is oxalic acid formula, sir?
Huh?
Sir, what is oxalic acid formula, sir?
Na2C2O4. Why you want oxalic acid? You ask me sodium oxalate. Sodium remove ಮಾಡಿ hydrogen add ಮಾಡಿ oxalic acid ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? Na2C2O4 is sodium oxalate. H2C2O4 is oxalic acid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0.047.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತನಿಷಾ?
Yes, sir.
0.0476 sir. 0.047 ಅಂತಪ್ಪ. Sodium oxalate, how much molecular weight? Minu? Sodium oxalate,
134.
134 ಅಂತಪ್ಪ. M is equal to 3.2 divided by 134 into 1000 by what is the volume? 500 ml. So 0.04776. Okay. Next. Next, question number 95. Two binary solutions have same molarity. Which of the following statement is true? Equal volumes of two solutions contain equal number of solute molecules. So how we are saying this one? You please write the first molarity formula. Molarity formula is, say for example, in this telling two solutions, M1 is equal to N1 by V1, M2 is equal to N2 by V2. So N1 by V1 is equal to N2 by V2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಏನಮ್ಮ? M1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, M2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. So N1 by V1 is equal to N2 by V2 ಒಂದಿನ. Next, ಇವಾಗ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2 ನ. N ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of moles. So
Number of
moles, is it possible to calculate molecules? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number only na. So that's why equal volumes of two solutions contain equal number of molecules, solute molecules. V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So N1 value N2 value same ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Directly proportional ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir. Option 1.
Option
Option 1, sir.
ಇದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Two solutions having same molarity. M1 I am taking, second one is M2. So N1 by this is formula given number of moles per volume is called molarity. This is also same. N1 by V1 is equal to N2 by V2, or V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2.
So does they have same molarity?
Huh?
So does they have same molarity?
Same molarity means if you take what I have to say. Suppose you take H2SO4. To get 1 molar H2SO4, we have to dissolve 98 grams of H2SO4 in 1000 ml of water. Okay, na? Similarly, to get 1 molarity of NaOH, we have to require same, that is 40 grams of NaOH that is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. You will get same molarity. But with respect to NaOH, 40 means 1 mole only. Na? With respect to H2SO4, 98 means 1 mole. So he is telling if the solutions having same molarity, number of molecules are same. That is the meaning of that one. For example, you take a dozen apples, dozen oranges. So in the sense of dozen means he will give 12 pieces. These 12 pieces weight may or may not be equal to 12 apples weight. Apples andre dozen 12, oranges andre dozen 12. But weights need not to be same. Their pieces count now. Here, in the sense of NaOH, if you take 40 grams, that is enough to get 1 molar solution. If you take H2SO4, we have to take 98 grams to get 1 molar solution. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
If you take $1, we have to give 77 rupees. That is, to equality of $1, we have to provide 77 rupees. So to equalize 1 dinam, we have to provide 232 rupees. Like that, molarity of different solutions same means molecules are same, not weights are same. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
However, number of molecules you will get same. Next, question number 96. You please write separately all acids HCl, H2SO4, NaOH. Please make it fast. HCl, H2SO4, NaOH. Sorry, HNO3. V1 ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ? HCl volume ಎಷ್ಟು?
5 ml.
ಚಿರಂತನ್
5 ml.
5 ml.
5 ml.
N1 M1 N1 N1
N1
is equal to
sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು? 1. He is telling N. N means 1 only na. Yesterday I told. Next.
Yes, sir.
H2SO4 V2 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 30 na 20 na? 20.
20.
N2 is equal to
0.5.
1 by 2 na? You take 1 by 2. Simple ಆಗುತ್ತೆ calculation. 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಷ್ಟ. Next, HNO3 V3 is equal to 30. N3 is equal to 1 by 3.
1 by 3, sir.
So all are acids ತಾನೆ. So formula normality of final ಅಂದ್ರೆ NF is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 divided by 1 liter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1000 ml ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ 1000 ml ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. It is make up to 1 liter is telling. Make up to 1 liter na. So that's why N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 divided by 1000 ml. Hmm? 25 by 1000, 1 by 40 or n by 40.
1 by 40.
Murali, are you following classes regularly? Murali Swami?
One by 40, sir.
Huh? N by 40, correct. Next, 11 to 40, page number 40. Page number 40, question number 92. 91 mark in novel. 92. Simon? For this, we have tried equation 92. Can you say equation between H2SO4 and NaOH? Anyone? Any student? H2SO4 plus NaOH. What we will get?
Sir,
Na2SO4
Na2SO4 plus H2O.
Neutralization reaction takes place. Okay, na? Observe. H2SO4 plus Na sodium hydroxide NaOH reduce Na2SO4 plus H2O. Balance आएगा one side H2SO4, another side NaOH. So this is in chemical reactions. What is the formula of molarity relation? Yesterday I told M1V1 by N1 is equal to M2V2 by N2 is there na? Students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M1 next apa? What is the molarity of H2SO4? Say answer. One na? Next. What is the molarity of NaOH given in question? Adunu one na? Next. What is the volume of H2SO4? How to calculate? Question mark. Next. V2 is equal to 10 ml of NaOH. 10 ml. Next. N1 is equal to how to say N1 based on this.
One.
One.
1.
H2SO4 coefficient only one na? So N1 is equal to 1. N2 is equal to
2.
2.
formula
M1V1 by N equal to M2V2 by N2.
divided by N1 is equal to N2 V2 divided by N2. Please apply.
5, sir.
5 ml.
Yes, sir.
Five, sir.
5 V1 is equal to 5 ml. Next. Next, question number 91. No, please observe. 91 also how to solve. Number of moles of MnO4 minus required to oxidize 1 mole of ferrous oxalate completely in acidic medium will be. So this is the reaction. No, we have to remember as this. KMnO4 or MnO4 minus. Both are same. So this is the compound, this is the ionic form. Both are same. KMnO4 or MnO4 minus. Okay, na? Suppose HCl is there. What is the ionic form of HCl? Can you guess?
H plus and Cl minus.
H plus Cl minus.
Cl minus. Ashte. Okay, na? Like that, KMnO4 means MnO4 minus. So here one positive charge if you remove, here we have to write one negative charge. Check the technique. H2SO4 is there. H2SO4 you can write SO4 2 minus. So CH3COOH is there. CH3COO minus you can write, no problem. Okay. Here I will write ionic equation. MnO4 minus plus which oxalate is given? Iron oxalate. Ferrous andre plus 2. Ferrous andre plus 2. Okay na? C2O4 minus 2. FeC2O4 ferrous oxalate andre. So idralli is telling you ferrous plus 2 charge anta. So idralli plus 2 remove madide andre idralli minus 2 barte. Plus H plus. Why I wrote H plus? He is telling in the presence of acid medium. Acid medium andre H plus. Basic medium andre OH minus 5. Okay na? Here MnO4 minus is converted into Mn plus 2 in acid medium. C2O4 is converted into CO. So that's why you will get a balancing according to charges. So why you are getting 3, why you are getting 5, you have to wait up to reduction reactions. Okay, so 3 inge bandide, 5 inge bandide andre ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Process ಇದೆ, oxidation number method ಅಂತ ಒಂದು process ಇದೆ. So there we will discuss. Easy only.
Oxygen is not balanced, no sir.
Huh?
Sir, oxygen is not balanced, no sir.
Oxygen is not balanced means you write H2O. How many are not balanced? Okay, main these are the elements we have to balance. Later oxygens, later hydrogens. Okay, and hydrogens only hydrogens. So skeleton equation I wrote. Skeleton equation means important basic equation. So if you want oxygens, oxygens count ಮಾಡಿ left side ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 20 32 ಇದೆಯಾ 32 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ 20 ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ
12.
12 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 24 ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಓಕೆನಾ see according to equation 3 moles of MnO4 minus required 5 moles of oxalic acid that is ferrous oxalate. If you take 1 mole of ferrous oxalate, how many moles of MnO4 minus I required? 5 moles of this one required 3 moles of MnO4 minus 1. If you take 1 mole of oxalate, how many moles of MnO4 minus I required?
5 by 3.
5 by 3.
5 by 3.
So 1 into 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5 only na?
0.6 moles.
3 by 5.
0.6 moles.
0.6 moles. Jessica Kaveri, are you there? Okay, next ma. Next. Question number 93. 93. Please apply N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 formula. Finally, V2 minus V1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Will you try, students?
Yes, sir.
Chinmay Bharadwaja. Will you solve N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2? Finally, V2 minus V1 ಮಾಡಿ. Chirantan respond ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. You are not giving any response. Please solve N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 apply ಮಾಡಿ. V2 minus V1 finally how to do? Nine 990 ml answer. Very good. Jessica Kaveri, no response. Okay, 990 ml. Very good, Vishnu Raj. So V1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಸರಿ, V2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1000 ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? V2
Yes, sir. V2 1000, sir.
1000 minus 10 ಆ?
Yes, sir.
1000 minus 10, 990. So it is 990 ml, not 90 ml. Please write the correct answer. Next month. Sometimes you will represent answer in liters. 990 ml means how many liters you have to write? Question we have to read thoroughly. He is asking in volume in liters. First you have to do
0.9.
liters only, no problem.
0.99 liters.
Later you have to convert it into milliliters. Yes, Amma?
0.99 liters.
0.999 liters. Okay. 0.99 liters. Very good. Next. Question number 94. Question number 94. I will solve. Please observe. Question number 94. What is the volume of 0.1 in HCl? That's the question. So normality given. What is normality formula? This is the formula. Na? Normality is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in ml. This is given. This is also given. HCl. HCl is telling na HCl equivalent weight 36.5. Okay na? 36.5 is the equivalent weight of HCl. But it is not given. He is telling to calculate volume. How two factors we can calculate? Here total 1, 2, 3, 4 factors we have. This is fixed quantity. Okay? So to calculate one factor, we require the remaining 3 factors. But here we don't know this factor or this factor. So if you know this factor, then only way it is possible to calculate volume. So how to calculate this factor? That is the question. Okay? So we can calculate that factor by using the equation. So please continue the question remaining after reacting with the HCl. React with the so and so weight of calcium carbonate. Something is there. Is that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Further, we have write reaction. CaCO3 plus 2HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2O. The reaction. So according to equation,
CO to no, sir.
huh?
Plus CO to no, sir.
Yes, sir. CO2.
CO plus CO2.
The CO2.
Okay. According to equation, this is 100 grams. The CaCO3 molecular weight 100 grams.
Sir, we should take equivalent weight of CaCO3 no, sir.
Equivalent weight of
CaCO3 no, sir.
what we will get? Equivalent weight of CaCO3 will get 50 you will get.
Yes, sir, 50.
Remaining what you will get? Normality given, volume given. Here also we have to calculate again normality. Equivalent weight of CaCO3 is equal to equivalent weight of HCl. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
But I don't know what he given. So I am doing my own style. So 100 gives, that is 100 requires 2 into 36.5. Into as it is 36.5 molecular weight. If you take 1 gram, how much HCl we required? 1 gram into 2 into 36.5 divided by 100. 73 divided by 100 extra. The HCl weight
0.7.
0.73.
0.73. Okay, na? Idena 0.73. Weight of HCl. Now you can calculate volume. Say students. So now I am substituting in this formula. Normality of HCl given in the question, that is 0.1
0.1, sir.
is equal to 0.73. So divided by 36.5 into 1000 by into calculate module XML. So 0.1 is equal to 0.73 divided by 36.5. Estimate. 0.2 no ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ
0.02.
0.02 ನಾ ಓಕೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ 2000 you got
200, sir.
2000 Chinmay
200, sir.
No, Mata, you are telling 2000. Somebody said 2000. 200. Okay. 200. 200 ml or 200 centimeter cube. What are said? Please copy. Completed, students.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next one. Please observe question number 86, page number 39. I think it is not completed. Completed. Equation 86. pH3 is telling according to equation it gives P and H2. Then I wrote pH3. Balance 6 hydrogens, 3 into 6, 2 phosphorus. This is solid mark. Phosphorus is solid. Hydrogen gas. pH3 is also gas. Okay. 2 liters gives how many liters of hydrogen? 3 liters or 3 volumes. 2 volumes gives 3 volumes. So initially he given how much ml of pH3? 100. According to question, 100 ml.
100 ml.
100 ml pH3. How much hydrogen we will get now? 100 into 3 cross multiplication divided by 2. 150 ml. 150 ml H2 we will get. Correct? Increased volume is equal to final volume minus initial volume. So final volume 150, initial volume 100. ಎಷ್ಟು increase ಆಗಿದೆ? 50 ml is increased. That's all. 150 minus 100 are okay. That's all. No? Once a 50 there increases by 50 ml. Second option. Next, question number 95. Remaining area ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ 3 or 4 questions. What do you Next, question number 95. For preparing 3 liters of 100 NaOH by mixing portions of 2 stock solutions, P and P. concentration change ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ 0.250 ಅಲ್ಲ 2.5 NaOH 2.5 NaOH. Remaining as it is. See, read the question thoroughly. Just I will give the directions. You have to solve the calculation. Very simple. This is the one container. This is another container. This is the container P. This is container Q. In container P, we have stock solution. Stock solution means it's a concentration we know, that is 2.5 molar. It's a concentration of, we don't know volume, just a concentration of solution we know. Its volume is 0.400. 0.4. Okay, na? Either same solution, either same solution. Either NaOH, either NaOH. Okay, na? He is doing by adding P and Q to the one container. It is another container. We are adding this P as well as this Q to this container. So he is telling the volume is 3 liters. Volume is 3 liters. Molarity is 1 molar. Clear? So this is the diagram according to given question. Volume is 3 liters. Molarity is 1 molar. Okay, na? To get 3 liters of this solution, molarity not required given. How much this is we have to add? How much this is we have to add? This is 2 liters. Is 1 liter. Is 1 liter. Is 2 liter. Is 1.5 liter. Is 1.5 liter. Atara. So, yali ಎಷ್ಟು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ? To get 3 liters, 1 molar 3 liters solution. We don't know how much volume it is. It is also we don't know how much volume. But the final volume is 3 liters. We are getting 3 liters. To get 3 liters, how much I have to take? This is how much I have to take. Okay, na? So, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ calculation part very simple. What is the final concentration is telling? 1 molar into final volume 3 liter is equal to how we are getting this? By adding this one as well as this one only, na? So that's why 2.5 into x. I don't know. 2.5 into x. I don't know how much I have to add. 2.5 into x. Okay, na? Plus m1 v1 tarama. M1 v1 plus 0.400 into
Sir, ಅದು 2.5 ಅಲ್ಲ 0.250.
0. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? Who is talking?
ಸರ್ ಶ್ರುತಿ.
ಶ್ರುತಿ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗನೇ 2.5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, na? This step are you understood? This is we don't know how much we are adding. This is also we don't know. So, but why I wrote 3 minus x? Final volume is 3 liters, na? Final volume is 3 liters. So that's why 3 minus x. Right? If you identify x, how much we can add this one and how much we can add this one to get. Okay, students. So please solve your one. X 103 minus x. If you know x, you may get 3 minus x. No? So that's why you will get the answer. You don't do with 0.250. Please solve with 2.5. Why? Because 2.5, whenever you are adding water, then only its concentration is decreases. Okay, na? So 0.25 ಇನ್ನೂ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ concentration ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So by adding a dilution, concentration is decreases, volume is increases. So please solve 3 minus x. Suppose if it is I got 5 liters final volume. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 5 minus x squared. Like that. Okay, na? So please solve and say the answer for next class. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Sir, 2.14 liters, sir.
Huh?
2.14 liters, sir.
0.857 on x, very good. Next 2.14, remaining last. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
tomorrow, after it. Okay, thank you, bye.